An seachtain seo tá muid ag fálam an bríthar immer to play a sport. And the theme of our spellings is sport, sports.
So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an I'm sure gotcha, the present tense, an I'm sure láithreach, and the future tense, an I'm sure áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
An I'm sure gotcha. Dimmer May, I played. Dimmer 2, you played. Dimmer Shay, he played. Dimmer she played. Dimmer Mar, we played. Dimmer Shiv, ye played. Dimmer Shiad, they played. Immer, near immer. An I'm sure láithreach. Imriam, I play. Imrian 2, you play. Imrian Shay, he plays. Imrian she plays. Imrian Mid, we play. Imrian Shiv, ye play. Imrian Shiad, they play. On Imrian, ni Imriam. On I'm sure áisteanach, the future tense. Imroi May, I will play. Imroi 2, you will play. Imroi Shay, he will play. Imroi she will play. Imroi Mid, we will play. Imroi Shiv, you will play. Imroi Shiad. On Imroi, ni Imroi. Pell, football. Kishfel, basketball. Rugby, Ladog, tennis. Golf. Soccer. Fickle, chess. Haka, hockey. And camogiacht, no amaniacht, depending on whether you're a bucal no a colleen. Structure operative, sentence structure. So as always, we start with the bríthar, the verb, dimmer, imrian, imroi, followed by over, which is the subject, and then we have our sport. And you can add in agus no for and or in order to expand your sentences. Mar hampla, dimmer me haka agus amaniacht. I played hockey and hurling. Imrian, shiv, pell, no soccer. Ye play football or soccer. Imroi Liam rugby, no kishvel. Liam will play rugby or basketball. August Tommy Dainta, we're done.